The sun, a molten orb, dipped below the horizon, painting the sky with hues of orange, pink and purple. The lake, a vast canvas, mirrored the spectacle, its surface shimmering with 1,000 tiny stars. A gentle breeze carried the scent of pine and earth, whispering tales of life renewed. The air, cool and crisp, filled the lungs with a sense of calm, each breath a testament to the beauty of the moment. A single graceful loon, its call a haunting yet melodious song, skimmed across the water's surface, a living sculpture against the backdrop of the dying light. Life here was a symphony of sensations, the rhythmic lapping of the waves against the shore, the chirping of crickets, the rustling of leaves, a chorus of contentment. It was a reminder to slow down, to appreciate the simple things, to find beauty in the mundane. Each sunrise brought a new brushstroke, each sunset a vibrant masterpiece. The lake, a reflection of the world around it, mirrored the changing seasons, each one a vibrant tapestry of life. Spring's blossoms, a burst of color, summer's sun-drenched days, a time for laughter and joy, autumn's fiery leaves, a testament to time and change, winter's quietude, a moment of reflection and renewal. Life on the lake was a constant reminder of gratitude, a celebration of the present. It whispered of possibilities, of open skies and endless horizons. It encouraged the soul to breathe, to relax, to let go of worries and embrace the simple joys of existence. Every ripple on the surface, every star reflected in the water, every bird soaring overhead was a testament to the wonder of life. There was more to life than the daily grind, more to life than the relentless pursuit of material possessions. There was beauty, peace and joy to be found in the simple act of being present, of acknowledging the miracle of existence. The lake, a sanctuary of tranquility, whispered its secrets to the wind, inspiring hearts to find their own rhythm, their own beauty, their own connection to the world around them. It was a reminder that life was a gift, a precious journey to be treasured, a symphony of experiences waiting to be explored.